Hello everybody, this is your nutrition in 90 seconds. So today I'm going to briefly talk about self-control. And I know we've heard of self-control, how far to go with certain things, but we're going to talk about it. I'm going to read a quick scripture. It's in Proverbs 25 and 28, and it says, like a city that is broken down and without walls, leaving it unprotected, this is the Amplified version, is a man who has no self-control over his spirit and sets himself up for trouble. So we understand that a person has no self-control is almost like you're unprotected and your spirit man is unprotected, so you set yourself up for trouble. But also, let's look at that in another form. When you look at your health and look at your eating is concerned, your natural man, if you don't have any self-control or temperance in your eating and how far you go with that, you can still set yourself up for trouble. You could be more susceptible to diseases and high blood pressure, a lot of things that can happen. But you still want to make sure you have some kind of self-control. So I just want to just come on here and just encourage you that even when you're eating, even when you're cooking and preparing foods, there still has to be some kind of self-control. Because just as the Bible talks about your spirit man is in trouble when there's no self-control, there's trouble that's going to happen when you're not using self-control or discipline with your eating. So, of course, we like to eat, we like food, but we still have to know how far to go, how much to get. So that's something that I think that, you pretty much learn. But sometimes we're used to eating a lot, or you could just be adapted to eating a certain amount. But I think that's something we have to learn, self-control. Small tip is not a big tip, but it can lead to a big problem if you don't know how to manage what you eat in portion sizes. So use self-control with your eating. So that's just something to think about for your nutrition in 90 seconds. And that's all for today. And make sure you check out my blog at www.stepsforchange.net. I just posted a new Tasty Tuesday tip yesterday. So make sure you subscribe to the blog. And I will see y'all.